When you're considering buying Myuser, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know. In this video, I'll cover 7 crucial insights that'll help you make an informed decision before making the purchase. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal something that can save you a lot of time and money, and I'll compare Myuser with some of its top competitors so you'll know exactly what you're getting. Now, one of the first things to keep in mind when considering Myuser is that it offers a clean, intuitive interface that's designed for both beginners and experts. Compared to its competitors like X Software and Y Platform, which can feel bloated or complicated, Myuser keeps things simple while offering powerful features. If you've been frustrated with cluttered, confusing platforms, you'll immediately appreciate Myuser's user-friendly design. It's clear the developers put usability first, and that's something not all companies prioritize. Next thing to consider is how Myuser handles customer support. If you've used other tools before, you know how critical responsive support can be. With Myuser, you're not left hanging in the dark. They offer 24/7 live chat support, and the response times are fast. Many competitors promise support, but fall short when you actually need help, especially during off hours. Myuser's commitment to support is something that truly sets it apart. The third thing you should know is the flexibility of Myuser's pricing model. Unlike competitors that lock you into long contracts or hidden fees, Myuser gives you a clear, straightforward pricing structure with no surprises. You can also try the software for free through the first link below, so you can test it out before committing to anything. That's a big win when it comes to value for money, especially compared to other options in the market where the free trials are often limited or restrictive. Moving on to the fourth thing, which is the integration options. Myuser makes it incredibly easy to integrate with third-party tools, like CRM systems, email platforms, and more. If you're already using tools like HubSpot or Salesforce, you'll be happy to know that Myuser syncs seamlessly, saving you hours of manual work. Many competitors don't offer such smooth integrations or charge extra for them, making Myuser a standout choice for efficiency. The fifth thing to know is how Myuser scales with your business. As your needs grow, Myuser grows with you. Whether you're a small business or planning to expand quickly, Myuser offers scalable solutions that you won't find in many of its competitors. Some other platforms either outgrow you or fail to meet the demands of larger teams, but Myuser ensures you're always supported, no matter how big your operation becomes. Next up is security. Myuser takes data security seriously, with robust encryption protocols and regular security audits. Unlike some cheaper platforms where security is often an afterthought, Myuser provides peace of mind that your business and customer data is protected. If you're worried about compliance and privacy laws, this is an area where Myuser excels compared to other options, which sometimes leave gaps in their security measures. The seventh and final point I want to mention is the ongoing updates and feature rollouts. Myuser is constantly improving, releasing new features based on customer feedback. This is something many competitors fail to do consistently, with updates often feeling stagnant or forced. With Myuser, you can rest assured that the product will continue to evolve, staying relevant and competitive in the industry. If you're looking for a tool that combines ease of use, excellent customer support, flexible pricing, smooth integrations, scalability, top-notch security, and constant improvement, Myuser is definitely worth considering. And don't forget, you can try it out for free with the best offer available through the first link in the description. Don't miss this chance to test out Myuser with exclusive benefits before you buy. Click that link below and take advantage of the offer today.